Do you want the chance to win this 1,000 subscriber giveaway bundle? In this quick video, we'll look at the giveaway prizes and then how you can be in a chance of winning. A few weeks ago, I reached 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Huge milestone worth celebrating with a giveaway package of my leather goods. Thanks so much for your ongoing support. Let's take a deeper look at the 1K giveaway package. So there are 4 different items. These are the card wrap wallet, my AirTag sleeve, contour custom keyring, and the contour bookmark. These are all in a beautiful matching full grain moss green veg tan. This is the grind from Lonsdale leather. This is a 3.5 to 4 ounce thickness. This is a premium Italian leather from Tuscany. The hides are preserved in salt and then tanned with a mixture of bark, trunk, leaf, and some of the fruits of several different species of trees. They have a soft texture with a medium temper, and this is going to patina beautifully over time. I've then got a red thread that contrasts really nicely with this green veg tan. And then the keyring is set with a solid brass double cap rivet and then a custom contour split ring. Let me know down in the comment section what you like the most from the giveaway package. If you want to see more mobile leather crafting videos, tips and tricks, DIYs, sharpening hacks, then please like this video, subscribe here. Thank you, your support really helps me to continue making these videos. To be in with a chance of winning, you need to do 4 things. 1, subscribe to me here on YouTube. 2, follow me over on Instagram at Contour Leather Co. 3, like and share my Instagram post and put it on your story. And this will be the pinned post on my Instagram. And then tag all your friends in the Instagram post comment section. Each tag is 1 additional entry and there's no limit. So you can tag as many friends as you want and you'll have a higher chance of winning. I'll cover postage to Canada and the US for the winner. The giveaway ends in exactly 1 week, so that is Friday, September 5th, 2025. The winner will be announced over on my Instagram page. Have a great day and good luck.